Hi, what is your core skill as a coach? Hi, my name is Regitze. I make these little videos around business and coaching. So if you like content like this, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with a friend. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a video. But let's get into it. How do you find your core skill as a coach or consultant? Well, your core skill is something that comes very easy and natural to you. And therefore it can be difficult for a lot of people to actually realize that it is a core skill because it comes so easily to them. It can be something that you learned through a hobby or through your work, or it can be some kind of struggle or difficulty that you overcame in your life. And in order to sell it to other people, it has to be something that you can, of course, help other people solve their problem with. For me, it took actually a long time before I realized what some of my core skills are. We can have several core skills, many core skills, but some of mine are empathy, and I think we're born with some kind of some level of empathy, or we learn it from very small from our parents and our peers. But also my work as a nurse for over 15 years, that also gave me a lot of empathy. You learn how to empathize and understand people. And another core skill I have is being able to simplify things. And I think that comes from having a father that he had a brain injury when he was a baby. And therefore he couldn't understand complex things. I always had to make things very short and simple for him to understand it. He also had a very short attention span. So everything had to be very short and concise and understandable for him to understand it. And I couldn't say long sentences, then he would just be lost. He would already lose interest, actually. But comment below, what are your core skills, or have you found them yet? If not, then maybe I can help you. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with a friend, and click that little notification bell if you want. That way you get notified every time we upload a video on YouTube. And if you want help with starting coaching business, then also send me a DM or comment below. I'll be happy to help you. Take care. Bye.